Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Osiris, on Osiris Royal Tech. And in this episode, we're going to speak on numbers and math in Python and how to go about that exactly. So let's dive straight in. All right. So, as we installed it in our previous episode, PyCharm, okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click New. There we go. All right, so we're going to click on New and then Python file. And then we're just going to name this exactly what we're going to speak on. So numbers and math. And what I personally like to do is I don't like to leave any spaces. All right. Okay. So when we speak on how to create like numbers and deal with like math problems in Python, it will look something like this. So think about it. If we're going to print something out to the screen, because this is what this means, is that we're going to print it out to the console. Okay, so it's a thing that you see right here. Hold on. So we're going to do 2 plus 3. All right, up. 1 second. I was going to do it in strings. Jeez. All right, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to run it. Now go ahead and look down here, right? Now, as you can see right down here where my cursor is lit up, it says 5, all right? 3 plus 2, 5, opposite. So that's how you're going to go about certain math equations, such as print 9 divided by 3, all right? And then we're going to take that off. 9 divided by 3, 3. And now, if you notice on the second one right here, when we did this, print 9 divided by 3, now we get 3.0. Now some individuals might wonder, like, why are we getting 3.0? Like, I get it, it's 3, but why 3.0? And the aspect of that is because of this. It goes ahead and it throws us essentially going to be our float. Okay, so it's not like it is an integer such as this right up here, just having basically no dot, so on and so forth. So that's what that is. And check this out. Print will do the same, 9 divided by 3, but this time I'm going to add that percentage right there. And let's see what we get, shall we? Quite interesting, huh? All right, and also, let's just run down the list of it all. 9, let's say we have 9,000 plus another 9,000 because the company needs something dramatic. So we come out with 18,000. All right. Now you could also do that as well. Let's say, for example, Becky has 30 items. Keep on doing that. 30 items, and she has to put 18 of those back. Now, keep in mind, all of this might be super simple, and it is. Like, all of these math equations are very simple. But the point about it is 30 minus 18, 12, so all good. And you could even double check it as well. If you don't believe the calculator and everything else like that, you can pull it up. 3 minus 18, there you go, 12. You can validate all of that information if you like, but there's no need. But essentially, think of it this way, especially if you are a college student going into your first programming course. All right, so that's the reason why you're watching this, because you're interested in programming, you're interested in learning more about it. With that being said, in a lot of college courses, they're going to have you go over these things that I am teaching you guys right now. All of these. And they'll want you to know like how to set it up and what it's going to go ahead and print out. Sometimes without even using the terminal. And by the way, this is the terminal down here. So just keep that in mind. But overall, that's numbers and math in Python. And if there's any other questions, comments, you know what to do. Until next time, take care.